Most people reach for antibiotics like amoxicillin to fight infections. But what if nature already gave us a powerful alternative? Herb. Oregano isn't just an herb for pizza or pasta. It's packed with compounds that help your body fight harmful bacteria. It reduces inflammation and boosts your immune system naturally. The secret lies in two main compounds, carvacrol and thymol. These natural oils have strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. When harmful bacteria invade your body, these compounds attack the cell membranes of the bacteria. This helps your immune system wipe them out faster without creating antibiotic resistance. Oregano provides many health benefits. It fights respiratory infections by helping open airways and clearing mucus. It supports gut health by killing off bad bacteria while preserving good bacteria. Oregano boosts immune response, acting as a natural defense during cold and flu season. It also reduces inflammation, helping soothe joint pain and swelling naturally. You can consume oregano in several forms. Use fresh or dried oregano by adding it to meals like soups, stews, or roasted veggies. Make oregano tea by steeping 1-2 teaspoons of dried oregano leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. You can use food-grade oregano oil as well. Start with 1-2 drops diluted in a tablespoon of olive oil or juice, once daily. Remember, it's very potent, more is not better. To enhance oregano's power, combine it with lemon and honey in tea for immune support. Add it to garlic and olive oil for a powerful antibacterial mix. Blend it with ginger tea to fight colds and soothe sore throats. For general wellness, enjoy 1 cup of oregano tea or a few sprigs of fresh oregano daily in food. For concentrated oil, take 1-2 diluted drops daily for up to 10 days when fighting infection. Always take breaks, don't overdo it. Oregano is one of nature's strongest natural antibiotics, but use it wisely. Want more tips on natural remedies and wellness? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health videos. Health disclosure. This content is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement or remedy. Bye-bye for now.